thing na sinastruggle namin ni Daddy. Bago talaga kami. Kasi not experience this with our Achi. Minsan talaga maubusan ka ng pasensya. Gadol again sa Shopee. Sa Alphabets, Smart Babies.
Welcome to our back channel.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. And in today's video, I will be sharing something on how I take care of these kids. If you're first time in my channel, I'm a mother of 3. So these are my kids. I have a 6-year-old, grade 1, nagsa-school. I have a toddler pa ba? Yes, I think 3 years old. And I have here this one, a 1-year-old. And my channel really started as a mommy, especially with our first kid, si Ellie, because she was diagnosed with autism. That was way back, nung 2 years old siya. And right now, kung you've been following us, makikita nyo talaga na she was able to catch up sa lahat-lahat and now going to a normal school. So, I am always doing my video with these 3 kids, kaya magulo. Super gulo. But that's the beauty of it, sabi nga nila. Ngayon lang yan. So appreciate every time you have with them. In my last video about intentional parenting, it's one of our parang advocate na naman or in-encourage talaga namin ni Daddy. I know hardships is there, mahirap siya, lahat-lahat ng yun. But parang it is indeed our responsibility to be more intentional and trust me. Babalik at babalik. It has a great impact not just for yourself, for your kids, really sa family niyo talaga and in the future. Mas magiging madali ang lahat. Pero at first, lahat naman, kapag nagtatanim ka, mahirap talaga at first. There's a lot of waiting game, para hindi mo nakikita yung result, lahat ng yun. Pero that's what God wants us to do, and it's in the Bible how we really be more intentional in parenting these kids. Alam ko, magsuslow down din sila. Sa ngayon, i-share ko, this is one thing na sinastruggle namin ni Daddy. Isa na siguro na parang nagustuhan ko with my video kasi I've been journeying with you sa mga struggles namin, sa challenges namin with our family life and how we deal with it. Kaya nasa-share namin sa inyo, hoping that it will also help you and your family. Number 1 na parang binigyan namin ng big priority ngayon ni Daddy to be more intentional is this one, this kid here. So, Faye just turned 3 years old nung May. Pwede na siya dapat ma-school kasi sa kung saan na yung nagsuschool si Achi, dyan siya na kindergarten, then din siya nag-continue ng grade school niya. So, meron sanang pwede na siyang mag-nursery, pero we chose ni Daddy na wag muna siyang ipasok sa school and just be with us here dito muna sa bahay. Pero, while doing that, we need to prepare her because ang plan namin, by next year, papasok na siya sa school as Kinder 1. Kasi yung setup nila with their school, it's nursery, Kinder 1, Kinder 2, tapos at 6 years old, grade 1 na sila. So, yun ngayon si Achi. So, for our Faye, nag-start na kami. We need to teach them the basics, parang ganon. So, syempre, ano pa ba yun? Alphabets, colors, we need to start writing. Dapat develop yung mga fine motor skills nila. And they will develop na rin also yung mga learning skills on how they will learn. Yung mga basic skills na nagagamit nila. Like example, taking care of themselves, how to feed themselves, be more independent, lahat ng yun. Pero, as part of their learning, they need to learn talaga yung educational na mga tawag nito, yung basics of it, like the alphabets. And doon kami nahihirapan kay Faye. Maybe naninibago talaga kami kasi we did not experience this with our Achi. Yes, our Achi Ellie is diagnosed with autism, pero ang number 1 sa development niya na talagang above average and very advanced siya is tawag nito, yung mga educational na mga skills. And those are yung memory, mabilis siya talagang mag-catch up ng memory. Kaya yung mga, kay Achi Ellie, yung pag-train namin sa kanya is yung understanding na lang or yung comprehension. And with our Feifei right now, parang nanibago kami ni Daddy. Akala namin parang same lang kay Achi na papanoorin namin ng mga videos, then we will teach her one time. Tapos nagigets niya na ganun kagaling yung Achi namin. And with our Feifei, oh no. Kay Fei namin ngayon, may isa pa kasi siyang personality. Si Achi namin is a very serious nga personality. Seryoso siya. Kapag may gusto siya, part yun ng rigidity niya na talagang kapag gagawin ko to, routine siya, susundin ko to, ganyan. With our Feifei, no. Hindi ko alam kung anong tatawagin ko sa personality niya, basta hindi siya seryoso. She preferred to take things parang jokingly, lahat-lahat. So, hindi namin ma-assess ng tama kung talaga bang hindi niya alam kahit nagagalit na kami or minsan talaga maubusan ka ng pasensya ganun, pero she cannot. Tapos kung ayaw niya na, ayaw niya. May mga ganun siyang personality. Example, kapag naiinis na siya sa amin sa tanong at tanong, wala. So, right now, we plan ni Daddy to be more intentional, to prioritize yung ganito. Honestly, parang magsispare lang ng time sa kanya kasi dito lang naman siya sa bahay sa amin. Ngayon namin sa kanya is writing talaga, saka yung learning lang, the alphabets, as in identifying. Kasi yung assessment kay Achi last time, nung nagpasok ng kindergarten, is yun naman yun yung basic, diba? The letters, they should know. The numbers, they should learn how to count. Kahit yung 1 to 10 lang, and more kung kaya siya. Tapos writing, identifying the colors, the shapes, tapos syempre konting comprehension na like sa story, lahat ng yun, and identify yung yung introducing oneself, yun. So parang yun na yung nakuha na namin with our Achi. So yun ngayon yung parang tinitrain namin paunti-unti sa kanya. We did not start pa na talagang set up talaga na nakaupo kasi you need to understand 3 years old pa lang siya. At this stage talagang yung attention span nila, yung skills nila ganun, tuturuan mo pa sila. Honestly, with our Achi Ellie, tinuruan talaga namin na pwede siyang magtagal na makaupo, makalisten, yung concentration na yung focus niya. So ngayon, yun yung namin ni Daddy. Kasi one of the things that I want to share sa inyo is syempre, bumili talaga ako ng mga bagay that will help us mag-learn kay Achi, kay Feifei. I really don't want to depend yung sa mga videos. Well, we have that. It makes our life more easier. Pwede ka na lang kumuha sa YouTube. There's a lot of nursery rhymes about alphabets, ganun. Yun ang ginagawa namin, honestly, for now, kapag hindi namin siya maupuan talaga. And it helps. Marunong siyang magkanta ng A, B, C hanggang Z, pero she cannot identify. So, yun yung parang, we want sana na mas more kami mag-focus sa kanya. So, para mag-lessen yung screen time, because it's also screen time. Alam nyo naman may screen time. Last na video na shinare ko, it's about screen time, diba? We have rules about that. So, we want more sana, yung learning namin talaga is practice her ng skills talaga ng going to school. So, ganun siya. So, for this video, yun siya. I've shared my struggles and how we deal with it. We're being more intentional and really making a schedule para sa kanya para may routine siya na alam niya na ganun. Pero for now, hindi pa ganun ka, we were planning na parang paunti-unti lang ipapasok sa kanya kasi next year pa naman. We still have a lot, ilang months pa para pumasok siya sa school. Then, syempre, number 1 talaga na plan namin, parang getting ready then for summer, ipapasok siya namin sa isang parang mga summer class para makuha niya na ang feel of tawag nito na going to school, na wala si mommy and daddy, and meeting new friends, gano'n, and have a teacher there that will teach them, parang gano'n. I-share ko sa inyo yung nabudol si mommy. Mommy budol again sa Shopee. May pinili akong mga gamit to help sa learning ng aming Feifei. So, and it is mga ganito, flashcards and See, it's amazing kasi sa time ni Ellie before, wala pang mga ganito. Kasi may mga flashcards na, different kinds. As in, na-amaze ako yung sa writing. Yung sa writing talaga na pad. Kasi, meron na palang parang tracing pad. Do you know that? I did not know that. Alam nyo dati, manual kami kay Achi Ellie. Si Ellie kasi sa amin, yung number 1 problem niya is fine motor skills. Kaya, parang nahirapan talaga kami sa pagsusulat sa kanya. So, sa other parts doon, mas easier sa kanya, yung pagsusulat lang. So, dati, minamanual namin to yung trace. Nakikita nyo yan. Yung dots, minamanual namin ni Daddy para yun ang i-follow niya. Tapos doon siya nagpa-practice. And ngayon, alam nyo, mayroon ng mga tracing pads sa Shopee. Yan. So, if you have extra money, you can invest on those things. Meron numbers, alphabets na small letters and capital letters, yung big letters. Meron ding both, like this one. Yan. And meron din yung pag-practice ng name nila. Parang ano siya, ipapagawa mo. Bibigay mo lang yung full name nila. Ilalagay na yan nila sa tracing pad. Tapos yun na. Doon na magsusulat ang bata. Grabe no, amazing. Amazing na may ganun na. Before, wala pa talaga. So, I have here for our Feifei. And wala siya dito sa box kasi nilabas na. Parang paubos na yun ni Feifei. Meron din kasing mga lines, di ba? Sa writing, they started with straight lines, slanting lines, saka sleeping lines, ganon. So, yung ganon, yun na yung pinapractice niya ngayon. Hindi pa kami gumagamit ito, kaya naka-plastic pa sila. Pero yung mga lines, yun ang parang pinapractice namin sa kanya para mas okay. Honestly, wala siyang problem with fine motor skills or sa pagsusulat. Pero yung pag-upo, yung pagtagal, kasi siya, gusto niya lang parang 3, tapos randomly, kung ano lang gusto niyang isusulatin doon, ako ano lang gusto niyang i-trace doon, tapos alis na siya. So, doon kami nagsistruggle ni Daddy. So, pero we're good with that. This one, it helps, seryoso yan. So, kung much easier sa inyo, mas madali, especially kung working mom kayo, saka wala na kayong time mag-trace, lahat, mag-manual ng lahat ng yun, it helps. Yan. So, maganda to. I will try to share the link here kung saan ko siya nabili. You can see, baka mas okay siya sa inyo. Then, yung isang binili ko is flashcards. Hindi mawawala. Si Achi Ellie, she learned with us sa flashcards. Kasi yung flashcards, kahit andyan lang ako nag-work, tinatabi ko lang siya, maano ko siya, mas more on makakatulong siya sa memory, kahit yung malaking board. We also have that, yung parang malaking board for ABC. Actually, did you find it? Wait lang, hanapin ko later. Meron din kami nung malaking board. Pero, yung flashcards, there's really a parang tawag na to, parang mas ano siya, with learning. But honestly kasi, yung first na ginawa naman kasi namin with our Achi, you should see kung ano ang learning styles ng mga anak niyo. And with our Feifei, talaga hindi pa namin alam. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko, we're just starting pa lang naman kung anong mas mag-work sa kanya. So, for these flashcards, okay na siya, nasiyan siya, yun. Sa alphabets, tapos meron na siya ng mga pictures ng words na related for that. Yan. So, A to Z, I have that one. Tapos, isang binili ko din is yung emotions. For this one kasi, ito yung number 1 na tinuro kay Ellie before. So, until now, we're really teaching them para they will know how to express themselves. So, it's really good na mas ma-identify nila. Kasi sometimes, if they're learning pa lang sa speech nila on how to talk, yun yung number 1 problem nila kasi kaya na-frustrate sila because they don't know how to express in words yung mga nafe-feel nila. So, isa to. Kaya we're also teaching them si Feifei and si Achi. Even si Achi namin. So, it's very nice. And then, yung isang binili ko is the Tagalog. Wala tayong magagawa. May Tagalog po talaga sa part siya ng curriculum ng school. And our Achi Ellie, yan yung nagiging problem namin kasi we started her with English. Kahit communication, lahat-lahat ng yun, English talaga. Kaya honestly, yung nahirapan niya ngayon sa school is Tagalog. Kaya nag-try kami nito para matulungan din siya namin to learn. So, it's abakada. Abakada, lahat ng yan. So, ganun. Ganda niya. Tapos, there's examples. Mas madami yung examples niya para mas ma-identify nga ng mga bata. Yun! So, these are the flashcards. Tapos, may nakita ako sa Toys R Us last time. Ito siya. Yan. Hindi, before kasi, mahilig tayo yung mga dumidikit sa wall na mga parang malalaking board, diba? Hindi kasi kami makapaglagay dito kasi baka masira yung wall and we are just renting. Pero, pwede naman if we want. Pero, ngayon kasi...
I can see it. It's so big.
Yeah, it's so big. So, parang hindi pa ako parang convinced to buy that, yung sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung sabi ko nga na parang yung ididikit sa wall. So, nagulat ako last time when we are in Toys R Us, may ganito na, it's from Smart Babies. I think familiar kayo sa kanila kasi marami to silang mga books on learning, sa mga kids books, story books, lahat ng yun. Tapos, nagulat ako na may ganito na sila. So, it's a big one. And, you know, ganito siya kalaki. Size. So, they have alphabet. So, parang mas makaturo ka. So, you can hold it like this lang. Tapos, yung pag-keep mo sa kanya, malaking book lang talaga. Mapag-keep mo sa kanya, tatago mo lang, parang book lang. It also has numbers, shapes, yun. Yung mga sinabi ko kanina, colors. Honestly, kasi sa shape and colors, walang problem si Faye. Alam niya na yun. Kaya parang hindi na kami nag-focus doon. Meron ding mga animals. Yan, ang ganda niya. The time of the day. Fruits and vegetables. Family. Ang galing niya talaga. Meron na. Ito, parts of the body. Yan. The 5 senses. Ano pa? Parts of the house. So, yun siya. Madami na siyang laman in a book. So, isa na siyang ganito. So, I think it's one thing na parang I can parang recommend sa inyo na pwede nyong mabili. Tapos kapag ikikip nyo siya, keep nyo lang siya talaga as is. Yun lang problema namin kasi may ganito kaming baby. And hindi siya baby-proof. Napupunit siya. So, yun lang. You really need to take care. So, I think, yun yung mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo mga nabili ko. Hoping that you can also try with your kids. Hopefully, makatulong. So, and we are on that part of our journey. Maybe in the following sa mga vlogs ko, I can share with you kung kamusta, lahat ng yun. But, for now, we're there. We're being more intentional sa mga ganito with our kids, and it's really helping us as a family. Always remember to start early with your kids. Kahit gano'n pa yan sila kaliit, being intentional with them, lahat ng yun, it takes effect habang lumalaki sila. It builds the respect sa inyo, yung obedience nila, yung discipline nila, and that's the most important thing sa lahat-lahat ng yun. Okay? I think that's it for this video. I hope I was able to share kahit ang gulo-gulo. And you're able to learn something na magamit nyo with your kids also. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!